Today, we're going to take a look at the Reports function of the WatchDog app. Tap the menu icon and select Reports. This prompts a list of the reports you can choose from. For this example, we will look at the multi-station/sensor report. Choose the appropriate report and tap OK. Tap the date range to adjust the dates you wish to analyze. Tap Add Device and select the device you want to analyze. Tap OK. If you want to view data for multiple devices, tap Add Device again and repeat the process. Tap to select your device. Then tap the gear icon to select the sensors you want to include in the report. For this example, we will look at rainfall and temperature. Tap the checkmark to complete. Once you have chosen your sensors, the number selected displays in the device list. Repeat for your other devices if you wish to view the data for multiple stations. If you decide you don't want to include a device in the report, simply tap the device and tap the trash can icon to delete from the report. Double-check the date range, station, and sensors are correct. Tap Run Report. The graph displays the two sensors selected. You can view detailed data by long pressing on the graph. If you wish to save the created report, tap Save Settings, name the report, and tap the checkmark icon to save. To view your saved reports, tap the menu icon, select Report, and scroll through until you see your report name. Tap OK. You can now change the date range without having to modify anything else to get an updated report. Tap Run Report to view the graph. To delete the saved report, tap the trash can icon next to the save settings.